continuous uniform distribution, also known as the rectangular distribution, is a distribution that has constant probability.
The formula for the continuous uniform distribution is this. A is the lowest value of the range, and B is the highest value of the range.
The probability for x is 0 if x is less than the minimum value. The probability for x is also 0 if x is greater than the maximum value. Considering that x is a single outcome in a range, if x is greater than or equal to a and less than or equal to b, then the probability of x is 1 over the sample space, which is the minimum value, or a, subtracted from the maximum value, or b.
Consider that a is the minimum value and b is the maximum value. Any intervals of any length are equally likely to occur. Therefore, an interval close to A has the same probability to an interval close to B, given that they are both of the same length. This is a continuous uniform distribution, so we know that the area is equal to 1. But for the uniform distribution, this is only a rectangle. The area of the rectangle is equal to the base times the height. The base is b minus a, and the height is fx, and this must be equal to 1. This is the formula. To find the value of fx, divide both sides by b minus a, and the formula is fx is equal to 1 over b minus a. So the height, or the value of f of x, is 1 over b minus a, and it drops to 0 outside the range or interval.
Suppose we want to find the median of these intervals. The median is the value that splits the distribution in half. This is a uniform distribution. Therefore, the value of the mean and the median is the same. The median is equal to b minus a over 2. And the mean, or mu, is also equal to b minus a over 2. The mean and median is quite simple, but the variance involves calculus, so it's up to you to verify that the variance is equal to 1 over 12 times b minus a squared. Let's have an example. Suppose that x is a random variable that has a uniform distribution within a range of 100 to 150. What is f of x? F of x is equal to 1 over b minus a. b is the maximum value of the range, which is 150, and a is the minimum value, which is 100. Therefore, f of x is 1 over 150 minus 100, or 1 over 50. However, it is not true for all occasions. F of x is only equal to 1 over 50 if x is greater than or equal to a and less than or equal to b. F of x is 0 if x is outside the range.